This is Vipa Podcast. Thank you for joining in our morning daily devotion.
The story is told of a little girl who saw a plastic pearl necklace outside a store and longed to have it. She asked her mother if she would buy it for her. Her mother said she could have it if she will do all the chores in the house and in this way pay for the necklace. The little girl agreed and her mother bought the pearl necklace for her. She worked on her chores every day very hard and diligently, and sure enough, she paid off the pearls. Oh, how she loved those pearls! She wore them everywhere. The little girl had a loving father. Every night when she would go to bed, he would come up to her and read her favorite story. One night, when he finished the story, he said, "Darling, do you love me?" The little girl said, "Yes, Daddy, I love you." "Then give me your pearls." "Oh, no, Daddy, not my pearls. I love my pearls. You can have my favorite doll." The father kissed the little girl good night. The next night he came and read her favorite story, and he asked her again, "Do you love me?" The little girl said, "Yes, Daddy, I love you." "Then give me your pearls." "Oh, no, Daddy, I love my pearls," she said. "You can have my toys, my favorite toys." The father said, "Oh, no, darling, it's okay." He said good night. This went on for a couple of nights. Several days later, her father came in to read her a story, and the little girl was sitting on her bed with tears flowing from her eyes. She pulled out the necklace which she loved and said, "Here, Daddy, I am giving the necklace to you." The father took the necklace from her hands and pulled out of his pocket a blue velvet box, and inside the box were real, genuine, beautiful pearls. He had them all along, and he was waiting for his daughter to give up the plastic necklace so he could give her the real thing. How many times we miss the real, valuable, priceless treasures for things that are worthless. Let us pay attention to wisdom, for wisdom is precious, it is supreme. Proverbs chapter 3, verses 1 to 4 reads, "My son, do not forget my teaching, but keep my commands in your heart, for they will prolong your life many years and bring you prosperity. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man." Proverbs chapter 3 is about a father telling the son to keep the commands of the Lord and not to forget what has been taught to him. Through this chapter, we see the person who trusts the Lord finds much treasure and benefits. Let us focus on the love of God, trust in His leading, obey His commands, and honor Him with gratitude. God is trustworthy. Verse 1 of Proverbs chapter 3 says, "Do not forget." It is easy to forget when we do not pay attention. If it is a matter of importance, what do? We make sticky notes or write points in our diaries or set reminders on our phones for that matter needs our attention. If we do not give attention, then most likely we are to forget them. The picture here is the father telling the son not to forget the teachings taught by him. The father also tells the son what he needs to do, and that is to keep the commands in his heart. Psalms 119 verse 11 reads, "I have hidden your word in my heart that I might not sin against you." One of the commentaries say, "His heart would be kept by the word because he kept the word in his heart." If you do not forget the teachings and obey them, verse 2 of Proverbs chapter 3 is a great promise. Verse 2 says, "For they will prolong your life many years and bring you peace and prosperity." Certainly, we will have peace and prosperity in our lives if we live by this principle and follow and keep the commands of the Word of God. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 3 reads, "Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck and write them on the tablet of your heart." Love and faithfulness are the characteristics of God. Let love and faithfulness be your character. There is always the watchful eyes of the parent on the toddler as he doesn't want the child to be out of his sight, for he can get into harm's way. In the same way, do not let love and faithfulness depart from you. Instead, bind them to you. Let it be remembered by you and seen by others. Internally, let it be written on the tablets of your heart. The promise attached to this command is in verse 4. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. You will have acceptance and divine wisdom and the ability to succeed, to have a good repute before others and in the sight of God. They are people who walk in His ways and keep His commands. Benefits of wisdom. The command is do not forget, and the promise is God's peace and prosperity. Benefits of wisdom. The command is do not forsake love and faithfulness, and the promise is favor and repute in the sight of God and man. May the Lord help us to follow His commands, and may we receive the promises God has given to us today. God bless you.
For more details, please contact 916364252164 or email us to info@fibaonline.org.